welcome to your Asian Auto Services YouTube channel. We're doing an engine swap on a Porsche Boxster. The motor went bad in it. Chris is in the process of taking it out. This is the engine that we got from salvage yard. The customer offered to put a used engine in it, and we're going to put this one back in the car. And Chris is in the middle of the swap. Let's go check out. You see Chris has got the engine out. Chris, how's it going?
Well, we finally managed to get the engine out here, and as you can tell, as we noticed before, the whole thing was covered in oil. The customer stated that he was driving down the road, pretty good little clip. Apparently everything was running fine. Engine stopped running. He said he coasted for about a mile or so, and there was a lot of white smoke. Got over to the side of the road, car wouldn't crank. Tried to engage the starter wouldn't spin. So obviously he brought it in, one of the cylinders was filled up with oil. We looked at it using our little bore scope. And we started moving this car around. We found little bits of metal in the shop. We couldn't quite figure out what they were from. That's right. And also, coming down with it, noticed there was a little piece of metal right here inside where the crank pulley is here. So figured that had to come from somewhere. Had a little closer inspection here, and you can see where the block drain used to be right there. The block drain is no longer present. The side of the actual cylinder wall is exposed.
Yeah, you can see that, and that's a connecting rod there.
You can see the rod is
broken off
and wedged itself outside the cylinder. So this motor is junk.
This is
no good for anything. So
wow.
So good thing we got that other one over there. Go ahead and take some of the components off of here: the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, couple of pulleys, maybe the air oil separator. And
this is quite a job too, isn't it? I mean,
yeah.
Get a view of this up in here. This is what is involved in a motor swap in one of these things. You have to drop the whole running gear out. Look at this. There's no transmission. There's no engine. I mean, it's a completely open engine bay here.
If you actually look through the hole right there, Case, you can see right inside the interior of the vehicle.
And we had to take the convertible top off on this one because of the
glass window.
It had a glass window in the back. The top wouldn't get out of the way. It had the aftermarket glass window add-on. So just an idea for some of the people out there what's involved on an engine swap on a Boxster. It's quite involved. Well, thanks for watching.